Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous glueless wig from Luvme hair company. Yes, you heard me very well. I said glueless, meaning no glue, no spray, no gel is going to be used on this video. Okay, so I know what you're asking yourself, how did you achieve this look? Baby, when we talk about Luvme hair, we are talking about quality. My wig is looking proper. The fact that I only use mousse to achieve this look, I'm just blown away, guys. So please do check the description box for more information, for direct links, and also I have a discount code for you guys. Y'all know that I got you. Okay, so please do check the description box after this video though. Okay, so for now, enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from a Luvme hair company. This is how the box is looking. How cute is that? This is what's inside, including the goodies. The first thing that you're gonna find is a little love note from Helena, the founder. Is written, enjoy your hair journey from now on. The next thing that you're gonna find is this booklet from Luvme hair company with hair care instructions, and then a wig cap. That's a lot of goodies. Okay. I'm still opening another one. A baby hair brush, scrunchie, a lovely mirror which is also branded, bobby pins, and a Luvme hair scarf. Now this is the hair that they sent me. This is the packaging. It's written Luvme hair, guys. Everything is branded, period. Okay, let me show you the hair. So this is how the wig looks inside. It has 3 combs in the middle and another comb over here. It has 2 adjustable straps and one of my favorite, another band to secure your wig, especially because this wig is glueless, so we're really going to need that extra band. Okay, so I am so excited, you guys. I am loving these curls. Wait, before I show you the curls, I really wanted to show you the lace. Okay, literally this is amazing. Focus. Look at that lace, baby. Yes, and these are the lovely curls. They are bouncy and they are also full. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to rock this wig. So as usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. And please do not forget to click the description box for more information and of course for direct links. And also I have a discount code for you. You can just type in Manaso 20 and you're going to get discounted, period. So let's get straight into today's video. Yes, Luvme hair. One thing about Luvme hair, guys, the quality of their lace. When they say the hair is glueless, period, the hair is glueless. Okay, look at that. This is so amazing. Guys, I can't even see the lace properly because the lace literally blends with my skin tone, everything. Okay, so I'm just like, baby, I have to be really careful when I cut the lace. Okay, so that's when you know that the lace is literally going to blend in very well with your natural scalp, baby.
Maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
Guys, oh my gosh, I have no words. Oh, this is so beautiful. I really love it. The lace. Period.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand.
And there you have it, guys. I am honestly really happy with the final look. The fact that, guys, there is no glue that was used. I'm just like blown away. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair Company for sending me such an amazing wig, you guys. Please do check the description box for more information if you are interested. Actually, I can't say if you're interested in buying this wig. You have to be interested in buying this wig, guys. This is just the easiest installation for a frontal wig that I've ever seen. Like literally, guys, this is the best wig. I'm obsessed. I'm happy. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Until next time, bye, guys.